Okay guys, so this is a quick tutorial, okay, on how to install apps that are not available in your country. Okay, so let me try. You have to open your Play Store. So let me try searching for PayPal and see. I'm in Ghana, so let me try searching for PayPal. You can see it is not available over here. Okay, yes, so let me try something like PayPal Business. Okay, the PayPal Business app too. Let me try that one. You can see it says this app isn't available on Google Play in your region. Okay, yes. So now you're about to look at how to bypass this. So what you have to do is to yeah, what you have to do is to open your Play Store and you search for Melon VPN. Okay, melon, as in watermelon. So Melon VPN. Just have to search it over here. Now you can see I've already installed the app. So for you, because you've not installed it, what you have to do is install it first. Okay, yes, so you have to install it first. Now what I will do is to open the app. So I've opened it. Okay, yeah, so make sure you follow everything step by step, otherwise you will not get it. Okay, but in case you encounter any difficulty in doing this, make sure you drop a comment. I'll answer everything for you. Okay, yes, and also subscribe to join the family. Okay, principal ideas, let's go. So now you have to open the VPN and then you connect it. Okay, yes, so when it's connected you will see the key over there at the top of the screen. Okay, so once you've connected the VPN, you have to open your settings. You go to your phone settings and then you scroll down. Yeah, you have to scroll down. You can see accounts. Okay, accounts over here. So let me try search. Yes, so you can see accounts over here and then you tap on it. You scroll down, you see add account. Okay, add account over here, then you tap on it. Then you have to choose Google because you are about to register a new Gmail. Okay, so you have to choose Google. So just tap on the Google and then it will take you to the next page. It says checking info. Okay, so that's it. You're on it. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Okay, otherwise you'll not get it. Okay, yes, this is a short tutorial, so it is better you stay along with me. Okay, so you have to create a new Gmail to manage my business. So I'll enter my first name. Let me type in something like Max, and then surname, let's say something like Andor. Okay, that's not my real name, but if you want to use a real name too, you can. Okay, yes, so I have to choose your date of birth. Yes, this is not my real date of birth, but in case you want to use your raw details, it is accepted. Okay, nothing will happen. So of course I'm a male, so let me choose male, and then you tap on the next button. Okay, you tap on the next button, it will take you to the next page. So you have to wait for a while and then it will take you to the next page. Okay, yes, now you can see it has suggested some Gmails for me, so let me choose the second one, which is maxandor33@gmail.com. Okay, so you can select any of them. Okay, or you can create your own Gmail, but I recommend you choose one of them. Okay, yes, so you have to let me choose the second one, and then after that you tap on the next button. Okay, down below. Okay, now you have to select your password. Okay, it says your password should include letters, numbers and symbols. Okay, so let me choose something like Max Andor. Let's say Max Andor at dollar. Yeah, so at $1980. Okay, so something like that. Okay, yeah, it's a strong password though. So you have to choose your password and then you tap on the next button. It will take you to the next page. Okay, so let me tap on the next button and see. So you have to wait for a while so that it will take you to the next page, and then it says add phone number to account. Okay, but for me I don't want to add any phone number, but if you want to add any phone number you can. But so if you don't want to add any number, just tap on a skip. Okay, yeah, down below over there at your left, you can see it over here. So what you have to do is to tap on the next, and then it will take you to the next page. Now you can see review your account info. So what you have to do next is to tap on the next button over here, the blue one. Okay, so you just have to tap on it, and then it will take you to the next page. So let me tap on it now. So you have to wait for a while. Okay, yes. Even if you're enjoying the video, make sure you like it. Okay, just like the video. Okay, so that this video will get to your friends too as well. Okay, so you can share with your friends. So you just have to click on I agree, and then it will take you to the next page as well. Okay, so it's loading. Let's wait for a while. Okay, my network is a bit slow. Please forgive me for that. So yes, it has come. Now it says Google services. So it is still loading. Okay. So yes, that's it. But make sure you like the video too. Okay. Yes, it helps me a lot. Now the account has been created successfully. So you have to go to your home page, and then so now you have been able to use the VPN to create a new Gmail. So you have to tap on long press on the Google Play. So what you have to do is to clear the cache of the app. Okay, you just have to long press on the app, and then you tap on the app info to take you to this page. Okay, so now after clearing the cache, you just have to tap on the storage and cache to. Okay, sorry, first you have to clear tap on the first stop. Okay, then after that you clear the cache. Okay, yes, that's it. Now you have to open the Play Store again. So let me open it again. It's loading, so wait for it to load. And then what you have to do is to tap on your profile icon. You can see it over there at the top rightmost corner. Okay, and then you select the Gmail that you created. So you have to tap on the down arrow button over there. Okay, the one I've circled. Yes, and then you scroll down. You can see my account is over here. That's Max Andor, the one we just created using a VPN. Okay, so wait for it to load. This terms of service, just click on accept. Okay, tap on the accept. Now let me try searching for something like PayPal. Okay, yes, so let me try searching for something like PayPal. Then you hit on it. Boom, so now you can see PayPal is now available over here. I've already installed the app, so it is prompting me to update it, but I'm not ready for any updates. Okay, I don't have enough data to update it. Okay, so the next thing, so let me try searching for something like PayPal business too. Okay, yes, so let's try something out. So let's search for PayPal business. So PayPal, close the app. So let me try something like PayPal business. Okay, it's over here. So PayPal business, let me try and search that one too and see. Okay, now you can see PayPal business too is also available over here. Okay, but at first it wasn't available over here. So now we've been able to bypass it. Okay, we've been able to. So now that you know how to install any other app on Play Store which is not available in your country. So let me try searching for something like Text Now. You cannot install Text Now when in Ghana, in Nigeria, or any other African country that doesn't support it. Okay, normally the third world countries. Okay, third world countries. So what a VPN does is it has been able to change our location to USA, city or anything like that, so that or it has changed our location to one of these top tier countries so that we can install the apps. Okay, good. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.